Solana is pumping. We hit our all-time high of 75, and we can see Solana is a new ecosystem that is more secure, fast, and is known as the Ethereum Killer. So if you want to know more about these Solana platforms and the altcoins that could potentially 100x based on the Solana ecosystem, stay tuned and watch till the end to find out those altcoins that could potentially 100x in the near term future. So stay tuned and watch till the end. What's up guys, how you guys doing? I hope everyone is having a fantastic blessed day. So welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you guys something that I found interesting. Shout out 𝘃𝗶𝘀𝗶𝗁𝗍, this is where I heard about it first. It's a Solana ecosystem. So I'm not too sure if you heard about that, but so Solana is basically a web scale blockchain that provides fast, secure and scalable decentralized apps and marketplace. So marketplace could be NFTs and anything you want to sell digitally online, guys. And well, from my research right now that as we speaking, they say Solana is more secure and more faster than Ethereum, known as Ethereum Killer, guys. So you take that how you want to, guys. Let's see this new Solana ecosystem, and let's go and look at some altcoins that are based on the Solana ecosystem that we can trade right now, that possibly potentially might 100x in the near term future. So let's go straight into this content, guys, and let's go to the PC and let's take a look at those altcoins. So we can see Solana is having a massive run up, guys. Massive run up. As you can see, I had to do my analysis before prior, but I didn't really know what this was mainly about, and I didn't really do much research, but now everybody's talking about it. I see there is some sort of value in the Solana ecosystem. So nonetheless, we can see it had a massive pump. Let's just draw this horizontal line here, horizontal ray, and we can see that it broke the 56.662 mark, a key level, guys. Are we gonna break? We are breaking new highs right now, but personally I wouldn't get into this coin right now because we have to wait for a pullback if you want to buy this coin. But you can see we hit its all-time high of $75. Personally, I'm not gonna buy this coin. I'm going to try and buy altcoins based on the Solana ecosystem where I can maximize my gains. So what are the few coins that are based on the Solana ecosystem, you may say? Well, the first one is Arweave. So let's take a look at that. So if we go on to CoinGecko here, we're just going to type in Arweave. So Arweave is basically a decentralized data storage solution aiming to ensure that all data is easily available and accessible indefinitely. So basically the network is the basis for what is called the permaweb, a permanent decentralized web that hosts several community driven applications and platforms, and the AR token is used to reward miners who share and save all the data and to pay to store any new data. So what is a circulating supply? Well, we're having 43 million here, and the market cap is almost $1 billion in coin, guys. So something to look forward to in the Solana ecosystem, guys. So let's go on to the actual website of Arweave, sorry. So if we click on Arweave, we do see that they do have a nice, how do we say it, a data platform we have here. We can see it's arweave.org, and we see the first page we do get here is store data permanently, and this could actually be a good thing for Solana because they say it's fast, secure and a Ethereum killer, and only time will tell and see what it has in store. Arweave is a new type of storage that backs data with sustainable and perpetual endowments, allowing users and developers to truly store data forever for the very first time, guys. Keyword, for the very first time. So that is impressive on Arweave coin. And let's go here. we can see we have community, we have what is 𝘃𝗶𝘀𝗶𝘁𝗁𝗃, and we have mining facts, we have all these other information that can help us. So if we click here, claim a token, I haven't tried this before. Obviously let's read this, your first need some 𝘃𝗶𝘀𝗶 token which we would like to send to you for free together with a wallet. You'll be amazed how far it'll go. So guys, if you want to do this, I haven't personally done this, but I probably will try it because you know, I'd like to try all opportunities, to be honest. But obviously I will make another video, and shout out to 𝘃𝗶𝘀𝗶𝗁𝗃 guys, follow him on YouTube. He's the first one that showed me well, basically informed me about the Solana ecosystem and the altcoins that we could possibly maximize in the near-term future and possibly get some gains from that. So nonetheless, if you want to do this, get some free 𝘃𝗶𝘀𝗶 coins, guys, you can, but please do your due diligence before you actually take your risks in order for you to get some 𝘃𝗶𝘀𝗶. So we can see this is it gained already 0.4%. let's look at the chart on 𝘃𝗶𝘀 and see. The chart for 𝘃𝗶𝘀 is looking juicy. We did see a pump here, and I'm just analyzing the daily chart so we can get a better overview and we can see what we are looking at. So this is live what I'm doing now, if not live per se, but live as I'm making the video. I haven't done any pre-technical analysis prior to this video. But nonetheless, ARUSD, this is 𝘃𝗶𝘀𝗶. it does look juicy, very much so, and we could possibly get a trade here, and we'll obviously wait for the pullback, most definitely, because this was a nice pump up. But if you want to get into this coin, guys, very much so, I might be possibly maybe gonna buy a few coins in this, because it looks very juicy. And you know, opportunities as we come, we are always trying to look for opportunities. And nonetheless, if I were wanted to get into this trade or possibly buy this coin, I'll probably wait for a pullback, something like this, and then obviously get in after that. But I wouldn't want to get in now because of the run up, and I'll obviously wait for a pullback. You know, whatever goes up must come down, and it seems like we are in a short-term bull market. So nonetheless, this is looking juicy. Let's move on to the next coin. Radium is our next coin, so let's just search that. Radium, sorry about Radium. So Radium is, let me just give you a brief rundown of Radium. So Radium is an automated market maker built on Solana blockchain, which leverages the central order book of the Ethereum decentralized exchange DEX, and automated market maker is AMM to enable lightning fast trades, share liquidity, and new features for yield yearning. So basically, other AMs, DEX, and DeFi protocols are only able to access liquidity with their own pools and have no access to order or central order a book. Additionally, why the majority of platforms running on Ethereum transactions are slow and gas fees are high. So Radium is a big game changer for our trading, basically, guys. And if let's look at the circulating supply is 57 million, and market cap is 445 million. So what does this mean for Solana, guys? Solana seems like it's pretty much real good, and we can also trade it on Binance, guys, and that's really cool. And obviously, if we go down here, we can, if you guys want to take a better look at Radium, we have some charts here, and we have pie chart, we have diagrams, and we have a better understanding of Radium and what it's about. And guys, I'm just giving you a brief overview of what could 100x, and these are the altcoins that I think could possibly 100x. There are more, but I'll leave that for another video. I don't want to make this too long. So let's go onto the Radium official website, and we look at, oh, pretty cool, pretty cool. They do have a $100,000 Radium airdrop is live, so if you join now, you get an airdrop or potentially a bonus. You could possibly launch that and possibly win some Radium. and an avenue for the evolution of DeFi, light speed swaps, next level liquidity, frictionless yields. Wow, built on Solana. We have a total value locked of 987 million, guys. Wow, that's amazing. It's a big project, this, guys, very big, and I think this is one for the history books, guys, because this could be a game changer. As you know, gas fees are at a all-time high, guys, all-time high. And you know, Ethereum with a new I think it's 𝘃𝗶𝘁𝗶𝗁𝗍𝗶 or something like that, where they are basically only allowing you to mine 1,000 ether a day. So it's coming more scarce, and in my opinion, I think Ethereum and Bitcoin are more coming into a store value in terms of Bitcoin becoming gold and Ethereum like silver. That's my opinion, guys. You leave your comments down below in the comment section, and let's share ideas. So we can look at this chart and see that Radium is pumping, guys. It's really pumping. Let's draw our horizontal line here, key levels. I would possibly wait for it to break, guys, or pull back a little bit before I get an entry, but it's looking very nice, these coins here, guys. And shout out 𝘃𝗶𝘀𝗶𝗁𝗍𝗶 once again for showing us this Solana ecosystem and informing us early, and we can possibly make some gains. So shout out 𝘃𝗶𝗀𝗶𝗁𝗍. Check him out on YouTube, guys. Very informative channel. But nonetheless, we do see that if we take a measurement price target and we get something like this, we can see that our target has been hit right here, around here. And I won't buy into I would buy if I'm holding it, but for trading I wouldn't get it now. I'd possibly wait for a pullback and then I will trade it. But now the trade is done for me, guys. I would wait for the pullback and then I would possibly get in. And if we were to get a pullback, we should possibly get something like this, where we were testing this previous support here. So that'll be around 6293 mark, and if it were to bounce here, we'd possibly get our next big resistance would be here, right here, around the $10 mark, guys. Exactly $10. That's a big pump. 58%, massive. If you're using leverage, massive gains, guys. Massive gains. Shout out. This is going to be a massive opportunity for us, guys. So if we were to break into new all-time highs, like if it's following the Solana suit, guys, Solana coin, we do know that Solana broke $75, a new all-time high it has hit. And if this were to make a new all-time high, we would take a measurement price target like this. I would take something like this, and I would do something like this, where we could possibly see, this is just a rough analysis, not guaranteed, but this could possibly bring us to $17, which will bring us all the way up to 178%, guys. Wow, massive, guys. And you do know we can't just go parabolic. We have to have our pullbacks go up, pullbacks then go up, if we were to even get to a new all-time high. But very much in the likes, guys. So without further ado, let's go on to our next coin, which is Step Finance. Step Finance is our next coin, so let's look at that, guys. So while we're waiting for that, Step Finance, let me just give you a brief rundown of what Step Finance is. So Step Finance is a portfolio visualization platform which aggregates all LPs tokens, farms, and positions that users may have associated with their wallet, and displays it in an easy to use dashboard with various useful metrics and visualizations. So that is pretty cool, because obviously we do need visual stuff that can help us to sort out our tokens or any positions we have. So as we can see, there is an opportunity here. We do have a market cap of $63 million here. So nonetheless, guys, we do see our 24 trade. We are trading in this, averaging around 50, just say 50 point something %, and I think it's only gonna get higher, guys. This coin is possibly gonna hit our $1 mark very soon. And if you scroll a bit down, we do see it is listed on different exchanges. FTX, obviously we do know that one. And if you want to know any more details about Step Finance, there is some stuff here that you guys can read, but I'm not going to go into that too much right now, as I'm going to go into the actual website for Step Finance. So this is basically what Step Finance is telling you. It's full and continuous support for all token and projects within the Solana ecosystem, guys. So this is basically your dashboard of all your coins that you are trading on the Solana ecosystem. There's a lot of coins there, guys. As you know, it is similar to Uniswap, ShibaSwap, all of that stuff, guys. But this is it portrays that it's faster, secure, and more scalable, and it is more cheaper than Ethereum, and the gas fees are much cheaper. So nonetheless, focus on farmers, the metrics and tools you need to maximize yields. No more spreadsheets, that's kind of good. Go behind profit and loss. Understand the performance and risk profile of your positions, guys. This is a really important aspect in trading. We do need to have spreadsheets, and we do need to have data that will help us to analyze our portfolio. So really good thing, guys, to look at, and it's backed by one block. I haven't heard of these too much. Radium, we are talking about that, but we see that the Solana ecosystem is a pretty doable and something to look at in the future. So let's look at the chart, as we say. So let's go on to that. Step Finance. Okay, let's go on to this one, see if this chart is, well, not much for us to trade, guys. As we can see, we hit an all-time high. It reached around $8, and right now, if we just zoom in a little bit, yeah, sorry about this chart, guys. I don't know why it's doing this, but nonetheless, we do see a pump up here. And if you were to trade this, guys, I would obviously definitely wait for a pullback, guys. I wouldn't take a trade right now because I don't think there's enough data for us to actually look into this. But long term, I would buy some, and we would hold it, guys. But for trading analysis right now, I'd possibly wait a little bit, guys. Definitely wait. I'll wait for a pullback, possibly around here, and we could get some trades in that way. So possibly I'll wait for the pullback to reach here and then consolidate, give us a pattern, and then from there we could take a trade. But that's basically what Step Finance is, guys. So let's look at the next coin. So Mango Markets will be our next coin. So let's go on to that there and search it. Mango Markets, here we go. Mango Markets. Let's look at the market cap, 240 million, and circulating supply is about, it's alright, guys, not too bad. And if we scroll down, there's not much. To be honest, I looked at the price on TradingView and the chart. It's not looking so good. There's not much data for us to actually look into and analyze per se, but it could possibly be a good holding portfolio for now, until we can get more insight and more, how do I say it, more eyes and more touches on the market and the coin per se. So basically what Mango Markets is, it's a decentralized exchange DEX on the high speed Solana blockchain. Mango offers a trading hub for spot markets, perpetual futures, and lending, and it sources liquidity from its own pools as well as from Serum, an exchange built on the Solana blockchain. So let's go on to the Mango Markets website, and we can see a nice, something we all familiar with, guys, aren't we all? A nice trading hub, we should say. Yeah, a nice trading hub where it is based on the Solana blockchain. So It says here all Mango protocol puzzles are completely open source. Run it, mod it, improve it. We are a community driven organization. Liquiditors protect the capital of lenders. They help ensure the protocol funds stay safe. Okay, market making. Learn about market making on the Mango protocol and earn Mango in return for providing liquidity to the traders on Mango markets. So want to help build, to scroll down here, and we can basically see that this is basically something we're all familiar with in terms of trading. So this is basically a trading coin or trading opportunity that we can actually try and test out if we are wanting to. Basically, it's probably something similar to like Binance, or because it looks similar to Binance and Bybit, so it's possibly based on that. So I think the whole plan here of Solana is basically have its own data storage in terms of a whole hub, a whole ecosystem, as I say. It's basically really interesting, guys. So this is potentially really an opportunity for us, guys. So if you want to learn more, and if you want to get more details on this Mango markets coin, you should basically do your own research. And I'm just running through this so we can get to, we have 2 more coins, and I just want to run that by you, and let's see what we can get from that. So let's go take a look at the next coin. The next coin is SolFarm. So let's look at what SolFarm circulating supply is around 1 million, market cap is around 17 million. So this is a coin which is basically going to be really pumping, because its circulating supply is only, market cap is only 17 million, and already 1 million has been accumulated or circulating, guys. So this is going to be a very valuable coin in the near term future. But let's read more about what SolFarm is. So SolFarm today $1,645. Okay, and then what is it? So we don't have much data here or information. It just tells us SolFarm is a first yield aggregator on Solana, averaging around 80 to 100 millimeters TVL. Our first product is auto compounding vaults utilizing Radium farms. Wow, auto compounding vaults, guys. So that's a key word here, is auto compounding vaults. So big aspect for Solana. And let's go on to its actual website, and let's see what it's all about. So this is basically like vaults and stuff that keeps your, there's nothing much here that we can go into. Let's click on vaults, and here we have, let's see what it says. Yield leverage farming, lending, and this is pretty cool, guys. I haven't seen something like this in a long time, and this is interesting. So we see that all code on SolFarm is experimental. Please exercise discretion when using the D app. Please note you must stay staked for at least 2 hours to receive rewards. So nonetheless, this is basically what SolFarm is. And if you want to do more research, guys, please do your due diligence before investing in any platform based on what we say or based on what any other person in our people say, because we are not financial advisors. We are just offering our opinions on what we see fit and how we could help. So nonetheless, let's look at our next and last coin, guys. So let's take a look at that. Our next coin is Selenium. So Selenium is basically, let's see what Selenium is all about. So Selenium is a decentralized platform for fundraising and trading on the Solana blockchain. The platform includes a DEX UI, staking, wallet management, governance, and a launchpad. Users can stake SLIM tokens to receive xSLIM. xSLIM is the platform's governance token that is used for early or exclusive pool access. So this is really interesting, very interesting. So we have a market cap of 100 million and our circulating supply of 41 million, guys. So market cap's 29 million right now, so that's what's left. And total supply, okay, traded in 1 hour, okay, cool, awesome. And is this gonna be our coin? Let's look here. If you guys want to go more into detail, I'm not really gonna do that, guys. Here we can see all the stuff that I've just explained to you, and I'm trying to not make this video too long, guys, so I just want to give you guys a brief rundown of these Solana based altcoins that are gonna be possibly 100xing, guys, potentially. So I'm also going to be watching very closely, and I will be updating you guys, so make sure you follow me at Visionary Markets on Twitter, guys, link in the description. And this is where I will be posting real-time updates, and where we can possibly get some trade ideas. So let's go on to the Solana website. So the Solana, Selenium, whatever you want to call it, let's go onto that website quickly. We can see fundraising and trading platform on Solana. So this is powered by Ethereum, DEX, MEX, and Gate.io. Haven't heard of those before. If you guys heard of those, leave your comments down, guys, and we could share some information together. So total value staked is 9 million. Slim staked, that's the Solana coin. It's called Slim LP staked. Average. So this is like basically, here's all the pools here, guys. We got 𝘃𝗶𝘀𝗁𝗶𝗁𝗃𝗶𝗀𝗃 Finance, we got Apricot Finance, we got Project Seed, and we got Diablo. And these are the closed pools which is already being funded right now. And guys, this is interesting, very interesting. So we have our roadmap here. We have our airdrop. You know, when everything is launched, guys, they always do an airdrop so they can get the coins circulated much quicker and people can know about the coin. So this is fairly new. It's only been released in around 7th May 2021. So massive opportunity, guys. All these altcoins are definitely gonna 100x in the near term future. So now is the time for you to get in while it's early, guys, and obviously do your due diligence. Only invest money that you afford to lose, and then you will be well, you will be okay if you do not put your whole life savings in. So nonetheless, these are all the stuff that's Selenium offers, and we can read about Selenium. I'm not going to go through too much of this, but you guys can go through it at your own time. But I'm just trying to give you what coins could possibly 100x and opportunities that we can take right now. So they do have some staking options here. We have they do have a lot of stuff here. This seems like lottery tickets. They have bonuses and competitions, obviously. And yep, so guys, that's basically my opinion on the altcoins based on Solana that could possibly. I didn't cover Ethereum, guys, because you know, everyone knows what Ethereum is all about, but these are the coins that I'm sure most of us haven't really thought about that much and are based on the Solana ecosystem. So just a bonus tip, guys, I have Chainlink, and this is also a really interesting opportunity for us if you haven't invested in it. So we can see that it is in the minus now. We are having retracement. I got it when it was around 16, so I got a few coins there, not much, just a few. So that being said, Chainlink is a decentralized Oracle network that brings real-world data onto blockchain networks, enabling the creation of hybrid smart contracts. So smart contracts, we know what smart contracts are, guys, and it really is going to be a nice opportunity and for us to get into our first ever digitalized smart contracts in order for us to get some gains. So what it basically means is it tells us here it aims to ensure that external information, pricing, weather data, events, outcome, etc., and off-chain computations, randomness, transaction automation, fair ordering, fed to on-chain smart contracts are reliable and tamper-proof. So this is also a bonus tip for you guys. And I do have a little bit of Chainlink, not that much, but I did get it at a good price. So it is still low in my opinion for the long term. I'm holding, I'm not trading. So if you want to do your due diligence, guys, this will be a nice coin that you could look into, as well as those other few altcoins based on the Solana network. So remember, the first one is Arweave, second one is Radium, third one is Step Finance, fourth one is Mango Markets, the fifth one is Sol Farm, and the sixth one is Selenium. So that's about it for me today, guys, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. And thank you so much for watching and staying till the end. I know this video is a bit long, but I just wanted to share this information that I found. Shout out to 𝘃𝗶𝗀𝗶𝗁𝗃 once again for sharing this information with us, and I hope you guys found some sort of value in this video, and thank you for staying till the end. I know this video was long, but I really appreciate you guys staying till the very end, and I hope you guys have a blessed day. And don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, smash the subscribe button, like the video, share with your friends, turn on your bell notifications so you don't miss an update and any other videos, and make sure you follow me at 𝘃𝗁𝗃𝗃 Markets, link in the description, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. Peace.